So when you're singing an exercise that takes a lot of sustained breath, you can run out of air easily a lot of times if you haven't practiced breathing exercises first. So this exercise, we'll want to breathe down low like we have worked on before. So the inhale, we can think of an vowel shape in the back of our mouths, and we can inhale kind of like how you would inhale if you're yawning. So we can try the inhale one more time. And for the exhale, we're going to try and make like the tiniest exhale we possibly can. So kind of like the sound of air coming out of a leaky tire or a snake hissing. And usually I've heard this exercise either called the snake or the leaky tire exercise. So it's just, you're not allowed to hold your air ever, but like the air has to keep moving, but you want to make the air stream as tiny as possible. So let's try that again. So we'll breathe in. And so we'll breathe in on the first second, and then we'll exhale on the second. So let's try it one more time. Good. Okay, and then